What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Steve Kaplan here. We partnered with Honor Watch, which is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. And really what we do is we try to create these epic experiences for people that wouldn't normally have these types of experiences. It's what we already do with our company. It's just bringing people on board. We have also partnered with Make-A-Wish Foundation, with Wounded Warrior Project, Navy SEAL Foundation, and other organizations like that. Really what we want to do is give people an adventure, an experience that they wouldn't ever get anywhere else. So I mean, super cool stuff like scuba diving and snorkeling like we do on a daily basis, but also jumping out of helicopters, going to our gun range and shooting up there up on North Shore, or even we have our hunting operation out at Molokai. And there's a few other things we do as well. Really, we want to give these people another breath of life, another taste, and like, man, life isn't so bad after all. This is awesome, and we want you guys to help us and partner with us. So if you could, just on our website, there's an icon that says donate here, and it's actually through Honor Watch Foundation. And on our Instagram, there's also a little tab that says click here to donate. And then you guys, if you can, you find it in your hearts, it'd be super awesome. Hello, guys.